Whiskey, it isn't just a drink, it's an experience. There's more to drinking whiskey than just pouring it into a glass. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to enjoy it best. First, choose the right glass with a wider opening. The old-fashioned glass is the most common choice, while the Glencairn glass is preferred in more professional settings for its ability to enhance the whiskey's aromas. Now, there are different ways of drinking whiskey. First one is drinking it neat, without any added water, ice, or mixers. It is often preferred at room temperature. Pour a small amount of 1 or 2 ounces as per your capacity. Swirl the whiskey gently in the glass, bring the glass to your nose and inhale gently to pick up the aromas. And sip it slowly. Let the whiskey coat your tongue. Notice the initial flavors and how they evolve as you hold the whiskey in your mouth. Takes about 15 to 30 minutes for one drink. Another way to drink it is on the rocks. Put a few ice cubes in a glass, then pour the whiskey over the ice. As the ice melts, it opens up whiskey flavors and sip it slowly. And lastly, you can add a few drops of water. Taste and then add more water as per your liking. Whiskey can also be used in mixed drinks or cocktails such as old-fashioned, whiskey sour, Manhattan, Gold Rush, etc. And also, there is one famous hot cocktail made with whiskey, that is Hot Toddy, a warm and soothing cocktail, perfect for cold weather and often used to help with cold. Enjoy your whiskey.